Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I am trying to explaining about reverse strings from a sentence. So you can consider it as a paragraph. I mean more than one string. So we need to reverse. So in previous videos, I already explained about reverse a string. So if we have only one string, how to reverse it? I already explained. If you did not watch that video. And moreover that reverse a string with some frequency. So frequency count it may be 5, 4, 3 like that. So we need to reverse only with that corresponding frequency count. So these two problems I already explained in previous videos. If you did not watch that videos. Then you will get some clarity. So in this video I am trying to explaining about reverse strings from a sentence. Now let me try to explain about problem statement. So imagine the given input string will be, so I can write here input. So input it is Java is awesome. So this is the problem statement. So here we have more than one words. I mean more than one word, right? So we can consider it as a sentence or paragraph, whatever it may be. We need to reverse each and every word. So in that case, this is the input. For output will be output. So each word we need to reverse, right? First word will be Java. We need to reverse AVAJ. So next second word is. We need to reverse SI. Next one is awesome. This is the one more word, right? So we need to reverse this word. So last one will be EMASEWA, like this. N number of words will be there. We need to reverse each and every word. So this is the problem statement. So this problem solution also almost similar to previous one only. I mean previous solutions also like that, reverse a string or reverse a string by using frequency. So now let me try to write the pseudo code for this problem. So first I am trying to convert that given input string into a string array of strings. Like let me try to explain. So this is the given input, right? So imagine that is the str. I am trying to write here pseudo code. You can copy this content. So this is the input. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to convert this paragraph into array of strings by using split. So split is the one of the method that exists inside string class, right? Split. So we need to pass delimiter. So here I am trying to pass tab space. Now I will get string array. So from this string array, I need to reverse each and every word from here, right? Whatever I am trying to provide input. So for that, first what I am trying to do, I am trying to use for loop for getting each and every string from this array. So I am trying to use for loop for, I am trying to iterate strings, right? I am using enhanced for loop. So string s from str, I mean string str array. So you can, this is the string variable. I mean this is I mean anyway both are variables only. This is string type, this is array type. So if you want I can make some difference here instead of confusing both variable and array. So I am trying to use str array. So square bracket. So str array. So this is the enhanced for loop. Inside that for loop, what I am trying to do? So again, I am trying to convert that corresponding string into character array by using two char array. So s dot two char array. Now same process. Once we have characters, we need to find start and end, like the same process whatever I explained here, right? So first we need to convert that char array. Then remaining process is the same. So we need to find start index, end index, then swapping logic. So start index will be 0, end index will be length minus 1 corresponding string. So length minus 1. Finally, swapping logic by using while loop. So for this, one more input parameter is required. So why? Because once we reverse each and every word, we need to keep on track somewhere else, right? For that, I will take string builder. So SB new string builder I can create here. So for that, once that string is reversed, I mean currently executing string, I will append to that corresponding string builder. Why? Because I need to, once the reverse is done, I need to keep track somewhere else, right? For that purpose, I am trying to use a string builder. So first I am trying to reverse first word. So while start index is less than end index, same process. Temporary character. So I am trying to assign to start index. Next one, once the save place is done, I mean first index character, so I'm trying to assign starting index to character array of ending index. So for that ending index I am trying to store previously used temporary character. So one important point, we need to increment start index, we need to decrement end index at the time of swapping. This is the important point you need to remember. Otherwise, it will go to infinite loop. So once the swapping is done, first string inside that array. So I am trying to append string builder sb dot append. Why? Because once the first word is done, I am trying to store in safe place. I mean all reversed strings. New string of some, I mean this character array I'm trying to pass here. So for we need to provide some space, right? I mean otherwise it will go to, I mean all words without space we can't, I mean understand. For that purpose I am trying to provide some space. So this is the logic. Reverse a, I mean whatever it may be, paragraph or sentence. So one point you need to remember, first one is we need to split that paragraph by using empty, I mean tab space. Second one is I am trying to use here string builder, so to keep track all reversed strings. So for iterating all strings from that string array, I am trying to use enhanced for loop. So once at the time of getting each string, convert into character array, find, I mean assign start index, end index, swap it. Finally, convert that characters into string, append it to string builder. Finally, we can, if I can print that SOP of string builder, we will get a result like, I mean output whatever we are expecting. So I mean string builder. So once that I will print that string builder, whatever required output, we will get it. Now let me try to write the code in IDE. I already created one file called reverse words. Let me try to build the logic inside that file. So first I am trying to declare one string as a input, string str. So I am trying to provide same, when Java is awesome. Next, I am trying to convert that string into string array by using split method. So, which is expecting regular expression, again a string parameter. So, I am trying to provide some empty space. I am trying to assign to a variable. Here, I am trying to rename str array, string array. Next, I am trying to create one string builder. Why? Because to maintain all reversed words in safe place. So, string builder. Now I am trying to use one for loop for iterating every string that exists inside this string array. So I am trying to use enhanced for loop. So S from that string array. So at the time of iterating, first I am converting that string into character array by using toChar array method. So assign to a char array variable. Next I am trying to find start index, variable naming convention, start index and end index. So end index will be length minus 1. Next is swapping logic. So while start index is less than end index, so first we need to store that character variable in, I mean character in temporary variable. So char array of start index and char array of, I mean I am trying to assign start index to end index character from that character array. So character array of end index. So for end index inside that character array, I am trying to assign previously stored temporary character that exists inside zeroth I mean first index. So here we need to increment start index and increment, I mean decrement end index. Why? Because otherwise it will go to infinite loop. Now reverse is done, first string. Once it is done, we need to append to string builder. So I am trying to use one of the method called append, which is expecting again string, new string of character array. Next I am trying to provide some space. Why? Because if I did not provide, it will be whole one, I mean without space we can't read properly, right? So to understanding, for understanding purpose, I provide some extra space. Now once that is done, let me try to print that string builder. Now let me try to execute it. So first word is Java, expected is AVAJ. Next one is SI, awesome is as expected EMOSEWA. So even though I can provide few more words also. So two more extra words I added. Let me try to run it. So here each and every word from that given string, I mean paragraph or sentence, it is reversing. So this is the solution for reversing a sentence or it may be paragraph. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thanks for watching.